Prime Minister the Honourable Philip Davis tabling a report in Parliament today detailing the results of the COP26 climate conference that took place in Glasgow, Scotland last November. The Prime Minister noting new benchmarks for accessing funding, and the projects in the works range from health to power generation, as Keishla Adderley reports.
Talks with the Global Environment Facility were among the tangible, game-changing gains of the Bahamas' presence at COP26. Prime Minister the Honourable Philip Davis told Parliament today that funding for this year, after talks with the facility, will no longer be guided by the country's gross domestic product, which is often given a false representation of economic conditions.
Currently, the funding available to the Bahamas through the Global Environment Facility for 2022-2023 is approximately $7 million. The Global Environment Facility is now proposing to use two indices: an Economic and Environmental Vulnerability Index, or EVI, and a Human Development Index, which is HDI. The EVI indicators would capture economic and environmental shocks, while HDI indicators would consider the country's health and living standards. This is a major win for the Bahamas.
This will also mean a clearer path to the Multidimensional Vulnerability Index and the funding it draws. Meantime, climate investors were also the target of the Prime Minister's delegation. Eleuthera power generation and public transportation are poised to benefit.
An OTEC project is being developed for Eleuthera, where power generation costs exceed profit capabilities. A similar investor framework is being examined to address public transportation improvements, which may yield, for example, environmentally friendly and sustainable public buses.
These national development projects will in turn draw global financing in climate change funds, all while alleviating the strain on the capital budget. On the health front, the Green Climate Fund is working with the government to upgrade health facilities.
The Bahamas is presently conducting a Green Climate Fund health readiness project managed by the Ministry of Health and Wellness with a capital value of approximately $800,000. Once completed, the Bahamas would be ready to develop and submit a complete health project to address the healthcare infrastructure needs within the country, which is estimated to cost approximately $300 million. The Green Climate Fund encouraged the Bahamas to move this plan forward, as a Green Climate Fund health-based proposal of this magnitude would be the first of its kind globally.
The Prime Minister also highlighting talks with Israel on capacity building and technology exchange, and with the International Renewable Energy Agency based in the United Arab Emirates. Talks with Gabon and South Africa were also held, and the benefits of those partnerships will be detailed as they develop. Keishla Adderley, ZNS Network News.